Working almost every night, I never have the chance to sleep. Always prone to staying home, fuck school, I'd rather make some beats. Damn boy, this track's so sweet. Gotta shout out Kyle. We whipping in the Tahoe and the bass is not near mild. We wild, crazy man, got a couple 808s and they always bang. My bank account is so insane due to the fact that it's dry as paint. Yeah, I'm fucking broke, but that don't take away from my dopeness. Without this music in my life, my ass would probably be hopeless. Oh shit, Steezy ain't easy, but maybe it is if you're pretty much me. The verse is so cold like the winter, but when I be flowing, I know that you feel the heat. Feel the beat under your feet, all through your body, your spirit and soul. Shining bright like diamonds, and frankly, you shine like mountains of coal. I've got a dip like a tennis skull. Maybe I'll see you later. I shake hands with all my homies and flip off all of my haters. I'll never understand when all these rappers say they made it. They should keep it real and maybe then they won't be hated. Well, I keep it real and I don't think I'll ever change. I'll never lie if you can look me in the face. I swear to God that weak shit isn't in my veins. I'll never change. I keep it real, I keep it real, my homie, I keep it real. I keep it real, my homie, I keep it real. I keep it real, my homie, I keep it real. That's how I feel, my homie, just keep it real. Gold chain to my Casio, I'm looking like I'm paid well, but really they don't know that I got all this from the Goodwill. Thrift shop swaggin', caught the jacket and some records. Now the only thing that's missing is a pair of pants and leopard. Steady sipping pepper, not a drinker or a smoker. Most of y'all would think that's stupid, but I think that I'm the dopest. Been rocking with this music since I was like 14. Put my first album up in hopes of some more green. Nah, I ain't gonna get that. Road trip, are we there yet? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I never even left without making my amends and sorry. All y'all poses were forgotten, cause every track you copied always ended up as rotten. Well, Addy Squad is up in this bitch. Time to tear the roof off. If you ain't bumping our music, you should knock off all that hoopla. And I will keep it real until the day I fucking die. Whether that should be tomorrow or until we lose the sky, right? Well, I keep it real and I don't think I'll ever change. I'll never lie if you can look me in the face. I swear to God that weak shit isn't in my veins. I'll never change. I keep it real, I keep it real, my homie, I keep it real. I keep it real,